Hi, my name's Abbey and this is my sister Rebecca. And welcome to Cooking with Abbey Test Kitchen, where today we're testing Stacy's chips.
How many flavors we got there, guys?
3.
3 flavors. We have toasted cheddar, we have Parmesan and garlic, and multigrain. So we're huge fans of Stacy's chips. They kind of sustained us through a trip to New York once. How about you guys dig in? These are all new flavors to us, right?
Yeah.
Well, truth be told, we've already had the multigrain. The other 2 are new to us.
These are the multigrain.
Yeah, these are them.
Good.
You like the multigrain?
Kind of tastes different because it's a bit burnt.
But because there's also the plain one. I don't find there's not a big taste difference between the 2.
I think there's a bit more. It's a bit more sweet.
All right. How about we try one of the other ones? And we can guess what the others are.
Okay.
Because we don't know anymore.
You keep your hands in your head, okay?
Are we going to do this count of 3? Are we both ready?
Wait, but I don't know what. Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Is it
Oh, you don't know what
cheddar?
it's called. Right, it's either cheddar or Parmesan and garlic.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Parmesan and garlic.
You guys can taste the garlic?
No.
Yes.
It tastes herby.
It's herby. Oh, because it's got herbs in it as well. All right, what about that last one? Now I guess we don't have to guess. We know it's toasted cheddar.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know that.
Well, I didn't scoop it on you guys.
This is very cheesy.
It smells like cheddar.
It tastes like cheddar. Even though I don't know what cheddar tastes like, but it tastes like cheese.
So, out of the 3, which do we like best? Plain?
These 2.
This is multigrain, guys.
Oh,
I like
plain
these
is fine.
2.
It's a multigrain. So you're not a fan of the toasted cheddar?
No,
No.
the cheddar's not so good. I think
This one's my favorite, but I would take this.
if I had to choose between multigrain or plain, I'd be like whichever one because there's not a distinctive taste between each one. This one I like.
I think we can
I
all
like
agree, though, that they taste better with hummus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so I was going to ask people where they can find you, Abby, but you got a chip in your mouth. So, Rebecca, where can people find you?
At cookingwithabby.com, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere else?
And on YouTube if you subscribe and hit the notification bell thingy.
Are they ever going to see you again?
Yes.
Hopefully.
See you next week.